Good morning, and I'm Dr. Todd Shatkin. Welcome to this Monday Morning Minute. We're coming to you from Buffalo, New York, as we always do, to talk to you a little bit about what's going on in the world today. As you know, this coronavirus has affected every single person in the planet, whether it's because of business, because of being exposed to the virus, family members, friends that have been exposed to the virus, or just the fact that you're on lockdown and sitting in your home and hopefully you're watching this broadcast right now. I want to tell you that Shatkin First is here for you. We will continue to be here for you. During this time, I'm taking every opportunity and every moment to figure out a plan for us in the future and for all of you. As such, I can assure you that number one, Shatkin First is very strong financially and otherwise to be here to support you through this pandemic and afterwards. Many of you have called asking questions about what I'm doing in my own dental practice. I will tell you that the state of New York is, of course, on a state of emergency. The governor has told dentist offices that they can only treat dental emergencies, and that's what I've been doing for the past couple of weeks here in Buffalo. We also told all of our hygienists not to come in because we're not doing hygiene treatment for the last 2 weeks. We are treating just strictly emergency situations, and that's pretty much, I think, the way it is throughout the country now. I encourage you to continue to treat your emergencies because we as dentists took an oath when we became dentists to treat our patients in good times and in bad times. We have to be there for them. And this is one of those times where we need to be there for them for a number of reasons. Number one, we do not want dental patients overwhelming the hospital system. We don't want them going to the emergency rooms with a toothache. We want them to call you and myself so that we can treat those emergencies. If they have broken temporaries or broken dentures that are hurting them, we need to be there to treat those emergencies, and we should be. And that'll continue to help bring a little bit of revenue in your practice, along with the fact that you'll be taking care of your patients that you're committed to for all these years. Too many dental offices are completely closing down, and that's causing a lot of stress on the hospital rooms and dental school emergency rooms. Please, treat your own emergencies, take care of those patients, unless you're one of those dentists who yourself are a high-risk individual. If you're over 70, if you've got medical problems or other ailments that prevent you from taking care of your patients, I totally understand. Stay home and stay healthy with your family. Make sure you wash your hands regularly, use the hand sanitizers, do everything that the CDC is recommending. Of course, use the masks and the gowns and the face shields and everything that you should be using to protect yourselves and to protect your staff members. In my office, we're checking the temperature of every staff member in the morning, in the middle of the day, and in the afternoon. We're also checking every single patient's temperature as they sit in our chairs. But I want you to know that Shatkin First is here, and we will continue to be here to support you every step of the way. If you have any questions, you can call us. We remain open as an essential company and business here in New York State. We're an essential business, so we're remaining open. Our lab is open. Our supply store is open. And during this time, we're converting some of our business over to medical protective gear, gowns, masks, goggles, shields, everything to do with that. And we're also going to be distributing hand sanitizer. In about 10 days, we should have unlimited amounts of hand sanitizer available for you. Those are all some of the things we're working on at Shatkin First. In addition, many of you have seen my operating room that I have downstairs. It's a brand new state-of-the-art facility that we built about a year ago and started working in January of last year. We equipped that operating room with the most state-of-the-art air filtration purification system in the world. It's made in Sweden by a company that is called OperaGaN, and Shatkin First has now become the U.S. exclusive distributor for dentists in the United States. I just read an article that the state of Pennsylvania is requiring a system like this in every dental office to prevent the spread of viral and bacterial infections in dental offices. This is going to be happening in multiple states in the country. Pennsylvania was the first that I know of. So To learn more about our OperaGaN system that we are distributing and selling, please call one of our sales representatives and they'll be happy to talk to you about it. It's a brand new project that I've been working on for many months, even before the coronavirus hit. But now that it's here and we have to be prepared for these type of situations and epidemics and pandemics in the future, we're going to be having these available for installation in your dental offices, in your operatories, and we're working on all that as we speak. So I'm taking every opportunity here, the time that I have off from my practice, to help plan for the future, for your practices, for my practices, for the safety and welfare of all of our patients, and for your future success. We've decided, because of the coronavirus, to cancel the in-person seminar on April 17th and convert it to a live webinar. Anybody who had signed up for that course can take the live webinar and also come to a future class of your choice. So don't forget to join us for April 17th, Friday, from 8 to 5 on our live webinar. And those of you who have not signed up yet, please sign up for the live webinar. You're going to love it. We're going to do everything we normally do in person. You'll be able to send your message questions to us online, and we'll answer them real time. And we're going to do our very best to make this a real live experience. So join us on April 17th, and if you haven't signed up yet, call Shatkin first and we'll get you signed up. I look forward to seeing you on the next Monday Morning Minute.